Hey, what's going on, guys? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. In this video, I'm bringing you another quick tip working on an 04 Chevy Express. The customer's complaint is when he's driving the vehicle, he's feeling a misfire, but he's only feeling it when it's raining outside. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check that misfire with just a test light. Let's go. All right, what you're gonna do is take your test light, you're gonna hook it to a ground, and you're gonna run the end of it along the coil and along the wires. And if there's any cracks in the coil, it's gonna come through that crack and arc against that test light. If the wire has any bad spots, same thing, it's gonna come through that wire and arc against that test light. So what I did was, I started checking all the wires. I couldn't find anything. So then I remember what he said. It only did it when it rained. So I went and got a water bottle and I kept the end of the test light wet as I checked all the coils. And sure enough, I got to that one wire that had that bad spot, and that wet test light drew that arc right on out. Check this out. There's that bad spot right there. Hoping you can see it. And what was happening was the wire was just touching that dipstick tube. I guess, and over time it wore a little bad spot in it, and it was really noticeable when it rained. The moisture outside caused that wire to arc even more, and that was his misfire. All right, guys, that's it for this quick tip. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you later.